We're on the record in cause number 328644. The case is styled as State of Texas versus James Eric Nash. We have Mr. Nash appearing via Zoom. Mr. Nash, how are you doing?
Pretty good in yourself.
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Nash, Mr. Mel Shalander is also appearing as he's the attorney. Mr. Shalander, how are you doing?
Okay, Judge.
Now, Mr. Shalander, have you sent a letter of rep in?
I did it this morning, Judge.
Oh, okay,
I just got hired yesterday.
okay. What we're gonna do, because they was looking, so you just did it this morning, it's probably still coming down the pike, I guess. It's
Yes,
just
sir.
hadn't gotten to us yet because our court coordinators have checked and we don't have a letter of rep for you. But-
It's in the works. I mean, we have sent it off through the
Okay.
system.
Okay, did it say it was accepted? Do you know? Do you remember?
It was not accepted as of when I got on TV.
Or it wasn't?
Not yet.
Okay. Is any? Okay, hold on, we're gonna check on it.
Yeah, Judge, ours shows it was submitted. It just doesn't show accepted yet.
Yeah, they checking on it, they're looking at it, see, she's checking, they checking right now. Yeah, she doesn't show anything. Let me ask you, when they send it, do they,
Let me see it. The file.
okay, I think they see it.
Okay.
Okay, they're gonna be sending it up to the court, okay. All right, thanks a lot. Just hold on a minute, we're gonna go get it. Mr. Nash, put your mic on mute. All right, thank you. Okay, we're back on the record in cause number 328644. Case is style of State of Texas versus James Eric Nash. Mr. Sherlander, we have your letter of rep that you submitted in this case. Now, Mr. Sherlander, the case is going to be set on an announcement docket. Do you have a date? What was it?
5/7 or 5/14?
Okay, the dates available is May 7th or May 14th.
I'll take the 14th, Judge.
Okay, this case is going to be reset to May 14th of 2021 for an announcement. Now, Mr. Sherlander, Mr. Nash, the court has some bond conditions for Mr. Nash. Mr. Nash is not here. However, he is on Zoom. I'll read those conditions to him and we will send you, Mr. Sherlander, your client's bond conditions that you can give to him. Okay,
You're right. He's in Florida. I don't know if that makes any difference on your conditions, but he's in Florida.
okay, well, he'll still be under the bond conditions of the court.
I just didn't know if there was anything to having him have to report or anything because he's in Florida.
No, that's not in the bond, reporting is not in the bond condition.
Okay.
Okay, so it says standard bond conditions in county court at law number 2. Following the arrest and or accusation in county court at law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Mr. Nash, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. And that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, subsection A2 and subsection C2. Mr. Nash, do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 3, defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim, Michael Abreu. Mr. Nash, do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Okay, condition number 4 doesn't apply because that only applies to DWI cases. And this order is being entered this 30th day of March of 2021 and is signed by Judge Terrence L. Holmes. And Mr. Sherlander, we will send you a copy of the court date. And if this is your only case, you're free to go. You're excused and have a blessed day. And Mr. Nash, please stay in contact with your attorney. And this will conclude your case as well. And you have a blessed day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.